Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery, another day, another convention. No? This is a day of learning. Today, we are here at EDSA Shangri-La Hotel for the second International Congress of the Philippine Federation of Cosmetic Surgeons. This is a two-day event, two-day convention. Nandito po sa EDSA Shangri-La lahat ng cosmetic surgeons sa buong Pilipinas. So, wala pong gaganda for 2 days. Kasi nandito po lahat ng cosmetic surgeons. Walang mag-o-opera for 2 days. So, this is a day of learning. Mag-lecture po tayo. Mamaya, I'll be doing the lecture about breast augmentation, all about breast. So, nandyan po ang lahat ng mga sikat na cosmetic surgeons, mga rhinoplasty king, Dr. Henry Claraval, Dr. Mark Fernandez, the SRS King, ang Gender Affirmation Surgery King, Dr. Alvin Jorge. Lahat po ng King nandito. Ako po King din. King Kong. So, I'll see you later for my lecture. Nandito po ang ating mga cosmetic surgeons. So, come on guys. Come on. Dito po tayo. Say hi. These are the members of the Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. Mga graduates po namin yan. Another day, another surgery, another convention, another watch.